Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad and welcome back to this series of Python for everyone. If you have followed the last video, you will notice that we have started the if statement. We said that any if statement is started with a condition such as in this case a not equals to b, and if that condition is met, you write what action needs to be done here. Now if I wanted to write function for this, let's say if a is equal to b, print a and b are equal. Let's say if I wanted to write another one, which is if a not equals to b, then print a and b are not equal, and then so on and so forth. But what if I don't want to write too many if statements, rather combine all of them here? This is where if and else if statement comes in. If you have noticed in the last one we discussed how to write an if statement was you start with an if, write a condition, then do certain action. Similarly, if you have more than one condition, then you start with, if you let's say have only two conditions, then you just say else, semicolon, and then action 2. This is how simple it is. So in this case, let's say you wanted to say if raining, bring umbrella, otherwise don't. For this one, all I had to do was if raining, semicolon, bring umbrella, else don't. Simple, right? So how to do this one in our condition? All I have to do is if a and b are equal, print this, else print this. Let's run how this works. If I run this, the Python will start with this particular statement. It will check whether a and b are equal. If it is, it will print out this statement. If they are not, or any other condition, it will go to the else statement and do whatever is in the else statement. In this case, it is a print function with the statement a and b are not equal. I hope this was straightforward. Pause the video and try writing two statements like this. Well done to those who have managed to do it, and those who couldn't do it, please place a comment so we can discuss this further down. Okay, just another quick one here is what if we have more than one statement, such as if raining, bring umbrella, if sunny, bring glasses, sunglasses, otherwise don't. What if we have three statements now? Again, very simple. You start with an if statement, condition 1, close with a semicolon, action 1. Then you, for the next one, rather than writing else, you write else if. Then you do condition 2 and action 2. And lastly, if you have no more conditions, rather do this for all other conditions, you just write else, semicolon, and then action 3. So let's see how does this fit in our example. Let's say we have this one, that if a and b are equal, then print this. If they are not equal, so we'll change this one now, else if a is not equal to b, then print this. And for all the remaining conditions, print we don't know. So let's see how this works by changing a and b. If I run this one, it will print a and b are not equal because they are not equal. What if I change them to 2 and make them equal? Let's say which print function it will run. It will do a and b are not equal, right? So let's say rather than doing this one, I'll say if A is less than, let's make it more interesting, right? Less than, or yeah, less than B, then print A is less than B. And for all the remaining one, just say, I don't know, for this example, let's say. So let's make A small and B large. Let's see what it prints out. Do you see it printed out A is less than B? Now, what if the A is bigger this time? If I run this statement, you will notice that it printed we don't know. That's because the Python was trying to find out this condition. If this condition is not matched, it will go for the next condition. If this condition is not met, it will go for the last statement here. And you can have as many as much you like. We can have another else if statement. If A is greater than B, then maybe print A is greater than B, and so on and so forth. You could keep on doing it as many conditions as you have. Hope this makes sense. Please pause the video, try it yourself, and then let's see if you manage to do it. Well done to those who have managed to do it. For those who couldn't do it, please place a comment below so we can discuss it and see where the problem is coming up, and then we can debug the code together. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and goodbye.